A structure built to outlast nearly everything we know could run for 10,000 years. The clock of the long now is not just a device, it is a monument to human ambition and long term thinking. Imagine a machine ticking for 100 centuries. This incredible project aims to inspire people to think beyond their immediate lives. It pushes our minds past short term gains and fleeting trends. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, gave $42 million to fund its construction. His investment speaks volumes about the project's importance. The clock is being installed deep inside a mountain. This mountain is part of the Sierra Diablo Range in West Texas. It is a private location chosen for its stability and remoteness. The site is approximately 1,500 feet inside the mountain. The clock itself will stand over 500 feet tall. Its diameter is a hefty 20 feet. This massive scale ensures its longevity and resilience. The concept for this colossal clock came from computer scientist Danny Hillis. He first proposed the idea in 1986. He wanted to build something that would make people think about deep time, something that would make 1,000 years seem like today. The Long Now Foundation was then established in 1996. Its goal is to foster long-term responsibility. The clock is one of their most ambitious projects. Its purpose is to create a counterpoint to our increasingly short-term society. Every aspect of the clock's design reflects this philosophy. Materials chosen are extremely durable. Marine-grade 316 stainless steel, titanium, ceramic, and granite make up its core. These materials can withstand the test of time and environmental changes. The clock's gears alone number in the hundreds. Each one is meticulously crafted for precision and endurance. The clock is not just about telling time, it is designed to chime a different melody every single day. This unique musical sequence will repeat only after 10,000 years. That means there are 3,652,500 different chime patterns. The sound of a human breathing after all those centuries would be quite something. A visitor can interact with the clock by winding it. This act of participation is a symbolic gesture. It connects people to the clock's vast timeline. This interaction also helps power the clock. It uses thermal differences between day and night for energy. This smart design means it needs minimal human intervention, but human interaction is part of its core philosophical idea. It reminds us of our role in maintaining the future. The clock has 5 primary digits on its display. These represent different units of time. One digit shows the millennium, another tracks the century, a third displays the year. The fourth marks the day, and the fifth indicates the current phase of the moon. Its complex internal mechanisms account for various astronomical phenomena. It even adjusts for leap years and orbital shifts. The engineering behind it is truly mind-boggling. Building began in 2014. The construction process is slow and deliberate. Every step is taken with extreme care to ensure accuracy and durability. The clock is expected to function without major human maintenance for its entire 10,000-year lifespan. This is a staggering goal. Think about what 10,000 years means. It is roughly the entire span of human civilization recorded history, from the first farming communities to today's digital age. This clock will tick through 10,000 more years of human experience. It will see countless generations come and go. It aims to make future humans aware of their place in a much larger story. It encourages them to think about legacy. It prompts questions like, what kind of world will our descendants inherit? What decisions are we making now that will affect them? The clock of the long now serves as a tangible reminder of these questions. It is a physical manifestation of long-term responsibility. It is meant to be a slow-changing icon, a symbol of thought for the deep future. The location deep inside the mountain offers natural protection. It shields the clock from erosion and human interference. The air inside the mountain is stable. The temperature fluctuations are minimal. This helps preserve the delicate mechanisms. The entrance to the clock's chamber is itself a work of engineering. It is a long tunnel drilled into solid rock. Visitors will undertake a significant journey just to reach it. This journey adds to the mystique and weight of the experience. The clock is still under construction. Its full completion will take many more years, but parts of it are already operational. The first chime sequence played was a major milestone. It marked the start of its long journey. The designers Hillis and Alexander Rose envisioned a clock that transcends utility. It is an art piece. It is a scientific marvel. It is a philosophical statement. Its slow movement is deliberate. The century hand moves just once every 100 years. The cuckoo appears only once every 1,000 years. This incredibly slow pace forces us to reconsider our perception of time. It is a stark contrast to our fast-paced digital world, where information changes by the second and attention spans are measured in moments. The clock invites contemplation. It encourages a slower, more deliberate way of thinking. This deliberate pace is a core part of its anti-short-term message. Imagine the future explorers who might visit this clock. They might speak languages we cannot understand. They might have technologies far beyond our imagination, but the clock will still be ticking, its chimes will still be sounding, a consistent reminder of a distant past. A message from us to them. It is a time capsule of sorts, but a living one. It does not just contain information, it embodies a way of thinking. The clock itself is powered partly by the actions of future visitors. They will need to wind it by hand to keep it running. This ensures a continuous human connection across millennia. It represents a trust, a hope that future generations will care enough to maintain it. The cost of $42 million from Jeff Bezos is a considerable sum, but it is seen by many as an investment in humanity's future. It is a bet on human ingenuity and foresight. It is a powerful statement from one of the world's wealthiest individuals that long-term thinking is paramount, that our planet and its future deserve our deepest consideration. The Long Now Foundation also engages in other projects. They maintain a global collection of digital data, a library for the far future. This includes information about endangered languages and critical knowledge. The clock is just one part of their wider mission to promote long-term thinking. Their work is a testament to the idea that humans can plan for beyond their own lifetimes. The challenges in building a 10,000-year clock are immense. Predicting material degradation over such long periods is difficult. Ensuring mechanisms resist corrosion and wear is crucial. Designing for seismic activity and geological shifts is essential. The clock needs to function through potential ice ages or severe climate changes. Its environment deep in the mountain helps with stability, but the engineering solutions are still incredibly complex. They represent some of the most advanced long-term design principles known. This project pushes the boundaries of engineering science and philosophy. It forces us to ask deep questions about our place in the universe and our responsibility to future generations. The clock of the long now is more than just a piece of machinery. It is a symbol of hope. It is a challenge to humanity, a challenge to think bigger, to think longer, to work towards a future that extends far beyond our current horizons. It is a physical manifestation of the long view, a constant reminder that our actions today have consequences for thousands of years to come. It encourages a deeper respect for time itself and for the vastness of human history yet to unfold. It offers a unique perspective on our existence, a truly awe-inspiring endeavor. It represents a commitment from humanity to its own long-term survival.